Hello, what's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to clean your ugly lenses. All right, guys, to start us off, a couple things you're gonna need. I have a drill with a little pad attachment, or just something. You're gonna need something to agitate the headlight. You can do it by hand. Just maybe you could probably use Scotch-Brite or something like that. Just something to agitate with. And then I have a little mixture I made here. And I use baking soda and then water. I put a little bit of vinegar. I don't know, I've seen some people just mix it with water, some people with vinegar. And then first thing you really want to do though is tape off the area. A lot of people make it out to be not a big deal to get this on your paint, but I would not want acid on my paint. It could affect your clear coat in the long run. So yeah, make sure to mask off pretty good. Most likely it's gonna sling up if anything. So I just went ahead and taped around. I didn't do the best, but I also don't care about this car the most. So if you have a car you care about, make sure to do a good job masking off. All right, guys, so I already hit this with one pass. It's still a little dirty, but I'm not really worried because I'm gonna hit it with another pass. But I mixed this about 2-to-1, 2-to-1 baking soda to water. And you just wanna get that taste, and then put it on your applicator pad, whatever you're using. I'm using 10,000 grit sandpaper, wet dry, and just applying it on here, and then just make a couple passes with it and then clean it off, and then make another pass. It's kind of hard for me to show you without doing this. I don't have a tripod yet. And then just clean it off, kind of see how it looks, and then just keep on doing as many passes till it looks pretty clear. And then you're gonna want some sort of polish. I have this right here, Mother's Power Plastic. Yeah, got this in a kit, and you just want to put this on at the very end, just kind of bring out that final glow. And I'll show you the final product, but here's kind of the first step and what it looks like. It's just kind of smeary because I haven't cleaned it off really good. And then here's your before. Really bad. So I'll show y'all a little what it looks like at the very end. What's going on, guys? So I just finished up. I just hit it with the final polish, with the plastic polish, and here's what it looks like. I think it came out really good. Would I say it's perfect? No. But for just using baking soda and a drill, or whatever you have at home, here's the other side. I haven't done this yet. Oh, haze though, man. It's pretty much yellow. It's hard, it might be hard to tell on the camera, but it's pretty much yellow. And this side over here, I mean, look at that. There's definitely a dramatic difference. I'd probably say it's about 85% clear. If you really want to get it perfect, you want to just go through the stages of sanding. Start off at like 600 grit, then 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, then hit with a final 3,000, and maybe 5,000 after that. But you're talking about, I mean, a good amount of work compared to this is really quick. One thing I haven't done yet, but I'm going to do, is I will be putting a clear coat. I was watching a video the other day earlier, and this guy used Meguiar's has one. I've done this before, and the last time I used a clear coat, and I don't think it was for plastics, and ended up just fogging it right back up and kind of killing all the work I had done. So make sure you get a proper clear coat for these. Otherwise, you're going to be redoing it again. And if you don't clear coat, you're going to have to redo it again because there's no protection against the sun. But that's about it, guys. Very simple. Baking soda, mix 2-to-1. Apply using, if you have a buffer wheel, use that. If not, you can do it by hand with a rag, or like Scotch-Brite or something like that. Just try not to be too aggressive with it, otherwise you're really going to scratch it up and you're going to have to spend more time polishing it back out. I just used 10,000 grit sandpaper. I'm sure 5,000, maybe 3,000 would work too, but 10,000 is what I had, so that's what I used. And then lastly, just hit with that polish, and it'll still be a little bit foggy after doing it, using that the compound mixture we made, the baking soda. So just make sure you polish it after, and that'll really bring out the final shine. That's about it, guys. And make sure you clean off where you made a little mess. I made a little bit of a mess. Not perfect, but make sure to clean that off. If you want to, you might want to maybe just spray on a little spray wax or something. Clean off, spray some spray wax on there, because it probably pulled off a little bit of the protection you had on it. That's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Smash a thumbs up, and we'll keep the videos rolling. All right, guys, so I just want to make one more note, just a little recap. They're all done, both of them. Look pretty good. Just one little thing. I did about 3 passes with the compound mixture we made, and when doing that, when doing the three passes, the first pass I kind of went a little bit harder, and put a little bit more compound on there. The second one a little less, and the third one I was pretty a little like I sprayed a little bit of liquid on there just to make it a little bit more. Each time I made it, it was gradually getting softer on the headlight. That way it just kind of clears up a little easier. And then after about 3 passes, you'll notice that the yellow film that's coming off gets a little bit, it'll get a little bit wider and wider and wider. So yeah, 3 passes is what I did. You can do more, you can do less. I just decided on the 3rd pass that it looked pretty, the residue that was coming off pretty light. And so at that point, I just decided to go to the polish stage. I think it came out pretty good. I haven't decided if I'm just gonna I have some